Hadian ke jingpen slem balakat tu kat Nepal banya chaprang halo ka surok Shillong-Tamabil na kaliang jong katrat peludi menta kala penkrea ban sedang no biang ban sna ya katega surok hadian ba ka sorkar jela kala ai jingmen jur pat na kaliang jong ka National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited shan kan sedang no ya ka jingtrei kani karai kala wan hadian ka review meeting ya ka balakat do menteri bape ya ka tanat peludi ya ki he officer ba kantop na du ka DC jong ka East Coast District bat kumju ru DFO ka tanat klau halor ki wipat na kaliang ba perston la pentem ba ka jing slem jong katei kadei ru ba ki don ki trai jaka ki ba kwah ban ai jaka ban peniai leng ba ya ka surok bat kani ka penlong ya ka tanat ban wat jaka na weipat ban peniai leng ba ya ka surok.
We talking about the package 3 of the Shillong Dauki road, and that package 3 falls under the Nusla bypass, where today we ultimately finalize the alignment of this Punusla bypass, and we already approve it from the government side, and now NHIL will send this alignment approved by the state government to the head office of NHIDCL and also the Ministry of Road Transport.
How many kilometers?
This is about more or less about 8 to 10 kilometers. See, the negotiation is on with the NHIDCL because since it's government of India versus government of India, we have entrusted NHIDCL and also the Ministry of Road Transport to sit down with this particular central government office for the parting of that land, which is known as 4-lane from Shillong to Banyun, and the discussion is on, and I'm very sure very soon this issue will be resolved. You know, there are so many factors leading to the undue delay. Number one, you need to understand one thing: the land tenure system that we have here in Meghalaya is so peculiar. Because if one landowner does not want to part land, then the entire project is ended. And then, you know, our district collector, the deputy commissioner of concern, they need to call them 100 times. Sometimes they need, you know, the concerned department has to go to the site again 3-4 times, 10 times to redraw the alignment. So these are all the issues where ultimately contributed towards delay of the project. See, right now, as I said to you, why we have problem of bypass, Punusla bypass, because of that. Some village, they said no, we don't. Then some right land says no. Some of them they said no, we want. Some of them they said we don't want. So ultimately, you know, we have to convince them, sit down 10 times, 15 times, 20 times. So ultimately, as I said, we are able to even finalize the alignment just today itself.
So with this delay, are we also looking at cost escalation of this project, sir?
For that, I don't know. I don't really know much because it is being implemented by NHIDCL. Even the DPR is being prepared by them. So relating to the expenditure, that I really don't know. I'm here just to make sure that the project has to be completed on time. The hurdles, the issues which was already there, I'm trying to resolve it from the state government side. We are doing that. And few more portions also of land, which is called Maushun bypass. Again, very soon we are going to resolve that issue also, where, you know, it takes about 500-600 meters. State government are yet to hand over to the NHL for construction of bypass Maushun. So these are the issues where it's there, and we are going to resolve it one by one. So, and even you know, today I had a review meeting about the deplorable road condition beyond Peninsula, and it is resolved that NHL will start repairing immediately. They'll do it immediately for repairing work, and once the winter season starts, they will also go for a proper blacktopping of those stretches wherever road is constructed.
Take the first step towards a healthier future by scheduling your consultation at the Shillong Heart Clinic located at Nongrim Hills, Shillong. Call or leave a message at 98630-50899 to book your appointment with Dr. Sunrang Bhattian Wadri, an interventional cardiologist. The clinic operates from Monday to Saturday with working hours from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m.